How to understand payment methods for Hilton reservations. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open payment for Hilton reservations. In here, in the article, it is shown you're required to provide a credit or debit card as a guarantee when booking a Hilton reservation. Also, your credit or debit will only charge at the time of booking for the following scenarios, which is advanced purchase bookings, bookings that require a deposit, and also bookings canceled after the cancellation policies. Also, your credit or debit card won't be charged if your booking is canceled within the cancellation policy. Also, for the additional payment options, you can pay for your stay at all hotels online and through Hilton reservations with Hilton Honors points and other major credit or debit cards. Also, once you've checked in, you can also use the following to pay for your room, which is Be My Guest certificates. Also, Be My Guest certificates can't be used at small luxury hotels properties. Also, in addition to these forms of payments, hotels in China, they accept WeChat and OPay as well. And these are some policies for your Hilton payment methods. And this is how to understand payment methods for Hilton reservations. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.